Hello, hello. Right from the sunscreen lotions we apply during the summer to the winter wear we wear during the winter, nanoparticles are everywhere in our life. In fact, nanotechnology is no longer a part of science fiction anymore because right from our cell phones and laptops to the industrial technologies that makes our life better, nanoparticle is everywhere. Everything has nano inside. But with this comes a problem. With their increased usage over time, they have found different ways of getting into the environment, right from its production to its usage and ultimately its disposal. Now the problem is we cannot really measure them effectively when they are in the environment. You may ask why? Because they are nanoparticles, they are really small. So if we cannot measure something well, how can we understand them if they are harmful for us or not? So Galileo once said, measure what that is measurable and make measurable what that is not. So for my thesis, I'm developing analytical methods for measuring these nanoparticles in environmentally relevant concentrations. Now you may ask, how difficult can it be? So it's like finding a tennis ball on planet Earth. Now imagine there is not just tennis balls, but you have golf ball, baseball, football, and even basketballs. They all come in different sizes, they have different compositions, and most importantly, they have completely different properties. So for my thesis, I'm developing the method where we can not only analyze each individual particles, but also know what they are made out of at the same time. And this is something which is not so easy to do because nanoparticles, when they are produced, they are in high concentration and in pristine conditions. But when they get out into the environment, they are not only in extremely low concentration, but also they are mixed with many other things. So with my thesis, will it immediately make the nanoparticles safer? Probably not. But will it help us understand them better? Definitely yes. And once we understand them, then with my thesis, what I aim to do is, or I hope, is that one day we can analyze these particles really well and have the policies in place so that the nanoparticles which are there in our everyday object stays in them and not get inside us. Thank you so much.